Hello everyone, this is my review of the preserved red real rose birthstone necklace. It comes in a nice stunning package. That gives it nice a presentation. As a gift, the necklace features a birthstone accent and an I love you inscription that adds an extra layer of emotion, making it a perfect gift for mothers, wives, girlfriends, or grandmothers on occasions such as Valentines, Christmas, Mother's Day, or anniversaries. The craftsmanship is impressive and the quality is outstanding, ensuring that this piece will be cherished for years to come. Whether you are buying it as a birthday gift or as a romantic token of affection, this necklace is sure to delight. I highly recommend it for anyone seeking a meaningful and elegant piece of jewelry, and I hope this review helps.